A dog of that house can stand.
The quarrel is between our masters and us, their men.
Just hold one. I will show myself a tyrant, and when I have fought with the men, I will be civil with the maids and cut off their heads.
The heads of the maids.
Fine, the heads of the maids, or their maiden heads. Take it in what sense thou wilt.
So I'll let two of them when it comes to the house of common use.
I think your weapon is out, quarrel. I will back thee.
How? Turn my back and run?
Fear me not.
No, Mary, I fear thee.
Let us take the law on our side and let them begin.
I will frown as I pass by and let they take it as they list.
Nay, as they dare, I will bite my thumb at them, which is a disgrace to them, if they bear it.
Do you bite your thumb at us, sir?
I do bite my thumb, sir!
Do you bite your thumb at us, sir?
No, no, sir! I do not bite my thumb at you, sir, but I do bite my thumb, sir.
Do you quarrel, sir?
Sorry?
Quarrel, sir? No, sir.
If you do, sir, I am for you. I serve a good man as you.
No better?
Well, sir.
Say better. Here comes one of my master's kinsmen.
Yes, better!
You lie!
Draw, you men! Gregory, remember that washing glove.
Look upon thy death. Do but keep the peace. Put up thy sword or manage to depart these men with me. What drawn and talk of peace? I hate the word, as I hate hell, all Montagues, and these have at thee, coward!
Brawls, rather than airy word, by thee, old Capulet, and Montague, have thrice disturbed the quiet of our streets. If ever you disturb our streets again, your lives shall pay the forfeit of the peace. For this time all the rest are gone. Capulet, you shall go along with me, and Montague, come you this afternoon to know our further pleasure in this case. Once more on pain of death, all men depart!